Hello guys, welcome back to Jordan's Quick 4-Minute Recipes. This is episode 2 of Jordan's Quick 4-Minute Recipes, where I make random recipes and you see if you like them or not. Some are delicious, some are also delicious. We just see what we can make and what happens when we do. And let's see how they turn out. The ingredients you will need for this recipe is ketchup, a fry container, a skillet holder, 2 spoons, a fork, a glass, medium by the way, red pepper seasoning, a pizza slice picker, a large soup spoon, a large pot roast spoon, and last but not least, a giant pizza pan. You will need this for a very special reason. We'll get to that later when we use it. So now, let's get to cooking our recipe. First, take your giant pizza pan here and order a pizza from Little Ceasars with every ingredient on it. Put the 2 slices in there. This giant pizza pan will serve as a plate for all the meals. Most of them will be by themselves, but yeah. Next, take your ketchup, put a little squirt of it, a little pile of it right there for dipping your pizza in. You can also use ranch, but only one can fit, or you could do them on one side and little ones. But yeah, your choice. Oh, and use the pizza picker to pick them up and cut them. It cuts them more efficiently than a normal pizza cutter. I also use that in my recipes, but not this time. So, now, sprinkle a bit of red pepper on the pizza slices. You can also have some toast on the side to dip in the ketchup. I know it sounds weird, but it actually tastes delicious. Very good. Next, here is your little cup. You can pour any drink you want in it, but you use a little spoon. Oh wait, you put chocolate milk in there. Make some little chocolate milk. This time use 2 spoons, a fork for the pizza, and then some fries on the side. This is a very big dinner. It may take 2 nights to finish. Next, take your large soup bowl. Make some yummy standard pot roast with this thing. Pour it into here. Then use your pot roast bowl to scoop it out and eat it. Or you can use this to scoop it into individual bowls if your whole family wants some of the meal. Of course, you're going to share, but you can eat however you want through this or several bowls. Add some ketchup on the side, so if there's much ketchup, then you can add some more. That way, no food goes to waste without ketchup. Ew, and have a waffle on the side. You can have it with the toast. And next, a hot dog weenie. You can add this in the pot roast. Just chop it up. and add it to the pot roast. Oh, add some little chicken in there too. Whatever kind of chicken you want to use. Your choice. There. Now we have our yummy meal. Let's eat it. Oh, also sprinkle the seasoning in the pot roast and those. Ketchup. Very yummy. Now let's clear the dishes. I hope you enjoyed that delicious recipe. If you did, make sure to tell me in the comments what you think of it. Bye!